I am finally moving back to my parents' house, and here's the reason why. Before the pandemic, I decided to live here in Manila because I wanted to be independent. But first, I would go home every other day, naging once a week, until umuwi na lang ako kapag kakaya ng schedule or hindi pagod. Dumating yung point na umuwi ako, tapos di ko na ma-recognize yung sarili kong room. I felt like a foreigner. When I look at my parents' face, tumanda sila nang di ko alam. It's like nag-time travel ako in the future and I got so scared. We're growing old and they're not getting any younger. I just want to spend more time with them. So, I decided also to renovate our house. Hindi yung buong house. Isang part lang ng bahay namin. Currently, I would say 30% done na siya. And ang agenda today was to install the aircon. Tatlong aircon yung kailangan namin doon. Carrier yung pinili ko na brand. Once again, from Concept Store. Sa last video ko, pinakita ko sa inyo to, itong personal shopper nila. Yung personal shopper ko, super duper hands-on sa orders. Shoutout ulit Miss Aiza. Fast and easy transaction. Yung tatlong order na in-aircon ko, yung tatlong aircon na in-order ko, dumating in 24 hours. Here, yung living area natin. Dito naman. Kitchen area. Pag lumipat ako dito, bisitahin ako ng mga friends ko, ganyan. Entertainment area. Kinakabit ng aircon ko. Mga aircon na binili ko from Concept Store. This is my room. Second na aircon over there. So yan yung life update ko and sana proud sa akin yung parents ko. If hindi, hanap sila ibang anak.